Happiest day to all. I'm Srimati Sumathy. I'm the partner in VSR Tours and Travels, Sri Aral Medicals, and NLP practitioner. My niche is Natural Wellness Coach. Train the Trainer TTT program of our Dr. Poorani ma'am is truly such a wonderful session that we learned about the whole format of organizing the program in the very best way. Our coach, Dr. Poorani, is there to correct all our outputs now and then, and she mentioned a lot in presenting our program. Learned how to be energetic in presenting and organizing the program and program schedules. Every week is a miracle for me to complete the works on particular time. Though I like to attend all the programs of our Dr. Poorani ma'am, in TTT, I do not know what to do. I don't know anything about it. In every step of TTT, Purnimam is there to guide us. Thank you so much, Purnimam. Thanks a lot. And also, I should thank our buddies motivating each other and Shiva Coach in helping us in our works. Thank you so much and thank you all.